Many Apple users have recently complained online that their iPhone 14 suddenly won't turn on or freezes, which seriously affects the experience of using the phone. In this video, I will share the effective ways to fix it. Way 1. Force restart the iPhone. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button and release when the Apple logo appears. Way 2. Fix all iOS system issues with third-party tool. Go to the iSunshare official website to download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Then launch the software. Select the standard mode option to continue. Click the Start button. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Click Next. The software will identify the device information. Check that your iPhone information is correct. And tap Download button to get the firmware package. Note: your iOS version will be updated to the latest one. Click the Repair button and the software will start repairing the iOS operating system on your iPhone. After a few minutes, your iPhone will reboot and everything will be working properly. Way 3. Restore iPhone to factory reset. Connect the iPhone to the computer, then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. Click the Restore button. Tap the Restore and Update button. Then your iPhone will start to restore immediately. Wait for the process to finish and then the iPhone will restart and you will get a brand new iPhone. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.